In this video, I'll show you how to bookmark on Bluesky. As we all know, there is no bookmark feature in Bluesky. You can't do it in the app as well. Just go ahead and open up the web version of Bluesky. Go ahead over to the extensions tab right here and click on manage extensions. Now, if you can't see extensions, click on the three dots or the three horizontal lines, click on it and go to extensions, then visit web store. All right. I'm just going to click on it. Now in here, what we're going to find is Bluesky bookmark. All right. Just click on this one right here. As you can see, this one will pop up. Just click on this one. All right. Not this copy right here, which has 0 stars. Make sure to select this one. Click on it and simply add to Brave or add to Chrome or add to Firefox. All right. Click on it and simply hit on add extension. Wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, Bluesky bookmarks has been added to Brave. Now what we're going to do next is just basically go back to Bluesky, refresh the page, and wait for the website to load. Now in here, simply find the post that you want to bookmark. All right. Say for example, I wanted to bookmark this post. All right. I'm just going to tap or click on the post itself. Now in here, as you can see, there's been an added feature now, all right, which is a bookmark besides the like icon. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. You might be asking, where does my bookmark go? All right. So basically, I'm just going to tap on extensions again right here. Now, what I'm going to do is just open up Bluesky bookmarks. And as you can see, my bookmark right here has been added. All right. So the way this works is first in, first out. All right, let me show you how it exactly works. I'm going to find a new post right here from home. All right, say for example, I wanted to bookmark this. I'm going to tap on it. And here in the post itself, I'm going to tap on bookmark. Once that's done, I'm going to refresh my page just for you to see. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back to extensions, Bluesky bookmarks. And as you can see here, the new post has been added, and this, the first in, will be the first to go out as well. All right. You'll see every bookmark that you have right here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.